Really careful, not yet. Roger.
No, he's gonna make it.
Max, I knew you was going.
Oh, you're okay.
¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel!
Oh! Yep!
Cause you had a bad day.
Come here right now.
Imagínate que luego de... Ay, 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 ay.
Well, well, well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset?
Hey, no, hey, you have your own bed. Remember how nice it is? Don't you want to sleep in that one? Then I will.
No. Are you done? No.
Jaden, go side.
You?
Good job, Lucy.
Girl, why this dog head so skinny?
Episode of How Gay's My Dog. Here's a sausage, Bailey. Would you like it? No.
What is in your mouth?
Oakley, come here. Come here.
Big smile, Holly. A good girl.
So you think you can just tilt your head like that and it's going to convince me to give you whatever you want? Well, you're absolutely right. What do you want? Do you want treats? Do you want my soul?
What? What?